A fatal crash in Florida involving a trucker who the Trump administration says is an undocumented immigrant has renewed focus on the White House's efforts to tighten regulations on commercial drivers. Harjinder Singh remains jailed for allegedly causing the deaths of 3 people in a minivan after making an illegal U-turn on a Florida highway. The crash occurred in August and has sparked debate over the severity of the charges. An international petition calling on Governor Ron DeSantis to grant clemency has garnered millions of signatures, arguing the incident was a tragic accident and that vehicular manslaughter charges are disproportionate. Advocates say clemency would affirm proportional justice, community advocacy, and the possibility of rehabilitation. DeSantis responded firmly on social media, stating that driving illegally in Florida carries consequences. Singh, originally from India, reportedly entered the U.S. through the Mexico border in 2018. The victims' names have not been released, and video from the truck's cab appears to show Singh's muted reaction to the crash. The St. Lucie Public Defender's Office, provisionally assigned to represent Singh, has not commented on the case. The incident coincides with heightened federal scrutiny of commercial truckers regarding their English proficiency and legal authorization to work in the U.S. Some states allow undocumented residents to obtain driver's licenses, raising concerns about road safety. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem emphasized the preventable nature of the tragedy and pledged to work with transportation authorities to ensure illegal drivers do not endanger American motorists. Federal actions under consideration include pausing new visas for international truckers seeking employment in the U.S., reinstating English proficiency requirements for commercial drivers, and investigating non-domiciled licenses like the California CDL Singh held. Officials are also reviewing instances of falsified licenses issued by untrustworthy schools or foreign authorities and tightening verification of medical documentation for drivers by transitioning to electronic records. The broader initiative reflects a focus on enhancing public safety on highways while enforcing existing immigration and licensing laws. Federal authorities are working to prevent unqualified drivers from obtaining commercial licenses, ensure proper language skills, and reduce risks to passengers and other motorists. The case has reignited national discussion on accountability, regulatory compliance, and balancing enforcement with considerations of fairness and proportionality in legal charges.